about more conditions. See, first of all, you should keep this thing in mind that whenever a body is having its motion, existing motion, it is having motion, and that is due to velocity of any magnitude in any particular direction. And then if it is said that along which you can think about applying force during the existing motion of a body and encourage it to still moving along the same direction of straight line. Are you getting me? That means there can be two conditions. One is on the existing motion of the body, you can apply a force in the same direction such that the result of force that will bring acceleration on the mass, and that acceleration must be appearing same in direction as that of the velocity. This implies that resulting motion will be straight line. Resulting motion will be straight line continued. Okay, or the other second option can be, if the body is having its motion due to velocity in the rightward direction, then you can apply the force on it. You can apply some force on it in the direction opposite to the motion such that acceleration is produced on the mass in the direction opposite to the existing motion. I hope you are understanding it. Tell me yes or no.